it's usually sunny and 60 degrees.
Teresa Draper has never seen her cherry trees covered in snow.
There, that's a good one.
This late in the season.
Some varieties are touchier than others.
A season which brought forth an early bloom due to late winter warmth.
No, that one's dead.
A combination.
Yep, another dead one.
That scares her.
When I look out, I see January.
Draper owns Draper Girls Country Farm in Mount Hood Parkdale, outside Hood River. In a typical year, they'll have a couple cold nights this late in the season. They can usually protect young blossoms with these fans that keep the frost from settling. But they can't run the fans in high wind, which usually accompanies snow showers. It's why Draper fears losing about a fourth of her cherry crop.
Just worry, just plain worry, because it's just typically, again, we don't get this kind of weather during blossom time. We never get snow.
Well, it's nerve-wracking. It's very nerve-wracking.
Christoph Fowler is warehouse manager and orchard supervisor at Hood River Cherry Company. Each season, they produce about 4.5 million pounds of fruit. He estimates about 80% of the valley's orchard trees are now in bloom. The promise of fruit within each flower, now just a hope.
The blossoms and the ovule will actually die when it's about 29 degrees. And so the night temperatures have been hitting 28.5 to 29, and it's borderline. You might get about 20% of your crop, damaged.
Fowler says despite the critical cold snap, he believes most crops will come to fruition. He hopes things aren't as bad as they might seem. He has to.
A lot of people go to Vegas to gamble, but, farmers, they kind of gamble every year.
No, these are all good, which is great.
For Draper, every blossom that's still alive is a win this year.
So what if they get more late season snow next year? Well, the farm is already looking into buying some propane heaters to place around the orchard and hoping this never happens again.
I've never really felt like we needed them, but yes, after this year, really thinking that through.
The fruits of their labor may depend on it. In Hood River, Catherine Cook, KGW News.